Hello, friends and traders. Welcome back. This is the trend flow matrix. We have trend flow MTF at the bottom, and we have trend power, we have trend waves, we have trend channels, and the Hakinashi, along with one smooth moving average in this system. The idea is to use all these in combination for specific patterns. Now this is a 5-minute chart of NQ. You can do it on anything you like. Anything which flows can be traded effectively. So what do we have here on this fine day is that the trend ribbon and the trend power flow, they are telling us pressure is extremely hitting on the south side, which is going down, which is bears have taken over. And what we have here is the waves. We have two waves also, minor waves, major waves, and they have all given us the sentiment of taking the short bias. Let me take a shot all the way until this trend changes. So we have quite a bit of 200, 300 point ranges we are trying to catch, not 20, 30 pips or ticks. We're looking at something big. And then we want to keep taking the trades. If you miss this trade, now the next thing is, where do I trade next? The trend is defined by this, because this is using multiple time frames. It is using a lot of time frames here under it. So if that is very strong, the lowest ribbon is going to tell us that it is strong, which is combination. When some of them are bullish, overall it is bearish, it becomes yellow. So what we have to look at is, when this is strongly bearish, the waves, the minor wave is going to pull up and show us this green face. If this price is below the channel and the moving average and Hakinashi, and this shows the face, and we have at the same time trend power to be bearish, we get another trade right there. So the first time it breaks and first time it comes and pulls up, that is mostly very powerful. And during this time when market is going sideways but the conditions are all set, you see this super trend, the power trend, flips back again. There's a zero line, which is a yellow line, then intermediate power, super power, then same thing on the bearish side. If it is at the lower, there are four structures, 1, 2, 3, 4. The lowest is the strongest, the topmost is the strongest. The lowest is the bearish strong, topmost is the bullish strong. So it is telling us that it has become a very strongly bearish behind the scenes, and then this is what is happening right now. So this was the pullback, and we are able to trade this trade. Now same thing, we want to go bullish. The conditions are, we're gonna be above the bands, above the Hakinashi and above the moving average. All conditions are met here, and we see we want to look for a pullback. Either we can take this break. Now pullback happened right here when the wave, the minor wave, became red. Trend is strong bullish, strong bullish. So the power is bullish, extremely bullish. Multi-time frame is bullish. Conditions are met, we got a pullback right there. This is how you trade pullbacks in the trend, my friends. All right, so let's do one more. Trend is down, power trend is down, wave came down, up again, right? And here it is. This is, again, the conditions are all met. We take the first strike down right here after the close of this bar. All conditions are met right here. If you missed it, you have to wait for a pullback. Pullback happened right here. Same patterns are showing up. Trend is short, extremely bearish. Here the trend power is bearish. We got a minor wave pullback right here. Same thing. Look at this precision trading, my friends. And you wait for these things. When market goes flat, everybody gets in a little bit of challenging situation at that moment in time. Let's do one more. Extremely bullish. Trend power. MTF is extremely bullish. Trend power is extremely bullish. Getting some small pullback, but it is staying above zero. First time it broke here. This was the first trend. Otherwise, this pullback is right here. Look at the wave. Look at the wave. Minor wave pullback right there. All right, my friends and traders, this is how you trade and become a super wave trader towards the trending market. Thank you so much.